Okay, welcome back to another video, guys. What's on the box today? I have a DJI Neo 2. As I bought only the fly more combo without the controller. Just for the quick videos with the aerial view. So this is what it has outside the box. So aircraft, this is what they say inside the box. Okay, so without any delay, let's open this box. Okay, open this box and 1, 2, 3. This is the way out. Okay, seal's broken. Now has one hand. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Oh, it's stuck. It's always hard to get it. Okay, guys, so this is broken. Okay, still is it broken or not? Oh, but it's still not broken. Okay, guys, so there we go. Now this is the box. Okay, drone. Okay, now let me use my both hand. Okay, let me. Okay, just bear with me. Okay. Okay, again. Okay. Okay, I'll take it out. Okay, drone. Okay, battery. Okay, whatever we have. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly get this all out. Okay, there's a battery, drone. Okay. So okay, guys. So let me bring it up. Okay, guys. So in the box, main is this one. Okay, DJI Neo 2. So how it looks. Okay, I think you have seen in other videos also, but my idea is that it's what you get in the box, so that you can make up your mind before you buy it. Okay, today this I bought in Hong Kong, and then they say like warranty is not international, so wherever you buy you have to buy the warranty from the locals. That's what the software I bought they told me, but I don't know, but I have to see in the DJI website, because DJI says you can buy the. Okay, anyway, so I'll come back later. So this is the USB-C. So there's two propellers extra, and manuals, and one screwdrivers in there. So this is the manual, I think, and then this is the battery. So this is for the moisture control, so silica gel. So okay, guys, so this is what you get in the DJI Neo Fly More combo. 2 battery, one is installed there, one is there. So this is 1, 2, 3 batteries, charging docking station, charging, 2 extra propellers, HDMI cable, and 1 screwdriver. That it says in the box. So this is what you get in the box. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you kindly help support by subscribing and commenting it. I'm planning to use tomorrow, and I'm gonna put it on my channels. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think there is not much to talk about, because other videos they do all the technical reviews. Mine is just to give you the idea what's in the box. So this is what you get in the box, guys. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe, like, and comment.